The bike path between Ojai and Ventura is one of the county's great treats and is a lovely showcase for the area's natural beauty.
This is a path that allows you to see a lot of wild land, a lot of natural areas, and then a lot of areas where you wouldn't ordinarily get to see, and you're somewhat removed also from the street and from the cars.
I just like being out in the sun and the sky and just lazily riding down and feeling nature around you.
We saw the Ventura River, the watershed there, and rolling hills beyond. We saw some small farms, like a vineyard. We saw a vineyard.
This rolling trek takes you inward and away from the noxious thoroughfare of the automobile.
You don't have to be dealing with cars driving in and out and trying to run you over. You get a nice clean path with very little interruption, so you can just ride and have a nice time without worrying about anything.
I have to say my very favorite part was the alpaca ranch, where we actually got off the bikes and approached the woolly alpacas.
Alpacas are cool. They have horses, alpacas. I saw ducks flying around a little bit ago, so a lot of nature, animals. It's good.
The alpacas, the views, the river, the trees. What's not to love about this hidden jewel?
It's beautiful. There's mountains and rivers. I love stopping along the river and looking around. You know, hear water next to you while you're riding and stopping and kind of just putting your feet in if it's too warm.
There is one consideration, though. How much energy would you like to expend? In other words, how much do you want to sweat?
Well, coming down, it's not too bad because you're going downhill.
Coasting into Ventura, I'm Phil Taggart.